How to claim the FanDuel welcome bonus. If you want to claim the welcome bonus which you have received on FanDuel, it is actually quite very simple. The first way that you can claim your welcome bonus is whenever you're trying to sign up or create an account, you'll find the option to enter your promo code. So that is when you can do so. But if you missed that one out, do not worry, we still have other solutions for you. Now what you can do is you can actually choose to make a deposit. If you look at the offers that are given over here, whenever you're new to, let's say, FanDuel, it will give you a couple of offers. So where you can just tap the account icon located at the bottom right corner. Then after that you can see a couple of options and you can simply go to the deposit tab. When you go to the deposit tab, you'll be able to see a couple of bonuses, because depending on the offer you have to place your first bet. Then after placing the bet, the bonus will be credited automatically based on the promotions like bonus bets or side credit. This way you'll be able to claim your welcome bonus on FanDuel. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.